This is Aaron Nemox on UBotTutorials.com, and this video is going to go over how to use this email activation bot that I just wrote. All it basically does is it can go through Yahoo and pick up all the unread mail, open it up, see if there's an activation link, and if there is, it'll save it, and then it'll go through and it'll click them all. This is actually a bot that you can custom yourself. You can, if you want to add different sites to it or whatever, you can do that. I'll go over that first, I guess. I'll open up one of the, here's an activation link here, and that's what this one looks like. What I have here is your activation codes. When you start the program, you'll browse to a text file, which I'll provide a basic one, and inside that file you'll have something like this. For each line here, that's the different code that it's looking for. So for the first one that we're looking at right here, activation.php question mark whatever, and here that part is. So if you're registering for different sites that always require the same line on there, all you do is you find what's unique in the activation code, and for instance that's the one I used here, and you can see all that, and after that username is going to be different, check number, whatever that is going to be different, but whatever is going to be the same for each email and make it unique as possible. All you do is you find that information, put it in here, and when the bot runs it, it's going to look for each one of those. So when this page comes up and it's looking to scrape the activation link, it's going to loop through every single one of these looking for that information and then get the link. So this one would obviously grab this whole link here. I did add a few just to get it started here. This one right here, that's vBulletin, and I think this one's PHP bulletin board, and then this is faves.com, and that one was Twitter. That's probably all I'm going to include in this bot, and it's totally customizable. If you wanted to add more or tons of different ones, you just go in there and do exactly how I showed you and add to that text file. And what it does is basically just finds that link, so anything could be on the right or left of it inside that link, because through wildcards in there. I think you get the point of all that, but I'll show you how it works. I'm not a big fan of making a bot that'll let you put your user login information for email or anything like that, because if you didn't know, software has the possibility, if you enter your email password for anything, well, I can just email that off to whoever. It's just privacy, security, that kind of stuff. So I don't like doing that if I don't have to, and for this one I don't have to. So the way I make it is you have to browse to your inbox using here. Just go to Yahoo, log in, sign in, and this is where the bot starts. And once you're here, all you're going to do is you're going to browse, you're going to attach that text file for all the different code into it, and then hit play. And when you hit play, what it's going to do is it's going to view, it's going to switch to just all the unread emails here. It's not going to go through all the other ones. And it's going to grab the links to each one of the emails that are unread. And then it's going to go one by one to each one of the emails, and it's going to search for activation links. And then after that, it's going to navigate to each one of those sites and activate them. But I'll show you how it works. I'll just hit play, and you can see it went to all unread, and now it's going to each one of the pages. You can see down to 3, 2. It's just going through and it's grabbing the link in there. And then when that's all done, it has them all, it's going to start browsing to all the registration links. The Twitter one, I already activated all these, so that's why you're seeing that. You've already activated for this one. Already activated. This one I already activated too. And that's all there is to it. It can go through your entire mailbox if you're doing mass registrations for stuff. It can go through entire mailbox of all your unread posts or unread email. Grab the links, activate them, and that's all there is to that one. Once again, this is Aaron Nemox from UBotTutorials.com. If you like my bots and you like seeing all the tutorials and getting the free information and would like to get an update each time I post a new one, just make sure you come over to my site here and subscribe to my feed, and you'll get an email each time I release a new bot. Thanks.